Most people get this wrong. They assume all dropshipping platforms are basically the same. But the surprising truth is that AliDropship and Selvia serve very different purposes, and choosing the right one can make or break your store. AliDropship is a WordPress plugin that connects your WooCommerce store directly to AliExpress. You can import products, set pricing rules, and automate orders. When I tested it, I found it works well for people who want full control over their store, including customizing product pages, integrating with marketing tools, and handling fulfillment themselves. The upside is flexibility. Almost everything is customizable. The downside, you're responsible for shipping times, customer service, and quality control, which can be unpredictable with AliExpress suppliers. Selvia, on the other hand, is more of a plug-and-play solution. It provides fast shipping from U.S. warehouses and pre-vetted products. When I tried it, products arrived in 2-5 days, which is a huge advantage for customer satisfaction compared to AliDropship's 2-4 week shipping from AliExpress. It also includes ready-made store templates, automated fulfillment, and integration with payment gateways. The trade-off is less control over branding and pricing. You're limited to the products and systems Selvia provides. So, who wins? It depends on your priorities. If you want full control, unlimited product options, and don't mind managing logistics, AliDropship is your choice. If fast shipping, reliability, and simplicity matter more, Selvia takes the lead. In conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all winner. The surprising truth is that knowing your audience and business goals will determine which platform will actually help you succeed. Subscribe for more honest e-commerce reviews that help you pick the right tools for your business.